Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today, it's March the 11th, 2022. We are going to give you all an updated price target for Moderna. Welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion. Look at the chart. I already have a price prediction on the chart. I was telling you all back in February the 15th to look for Moderna's price to go down. Look what happened. That's it. It's not hard. It's not complicated. If you guys want to join me, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that bell notification, because I want you all to stay in tune with what I'm doing, because you guys can actually follow the market right alongside with me so that you don't have to act unaccordingly, if that's even a word. But just look at the chart. It gives you the answers. So I'm going to show you all the newest price target right now for Moderna. I don't know if you guys heard it or not, but there's a news pundit by the name of Josh Brown, who works for CNBC. He bought Moderna. Yeah, there's a small segment on YouTube to where he came through and bought Moderna. Should you? Should we buy Moderna now, or is the chart still telling us that we need to wait to buy it? Let's do this real quick. Let me break down the price action in Moderna first. And then secondly, I'm going to show you what I'm thinking, whether or not the market's about to go up, or can we still see a continuation of movement to the downside in Moderna. Now, it's obvious. We was following the price in Moderna, right? Yeah, I just zoomed out because I want us to get us a bird's eye view as to what price has done in Moderna. It's been a great run. Like, let's keep it real. It's been a fantastic run in Moderna. Like, look how high the market price has gone starting in March of 2020. Like, look at this. The stock's price increased 2,245%. Like, why in the world would I want to hold the stock for 5 years when I couldn't gotten 2,200% in less than 5 years? Like, it doesn't make any sense why people want you to hold stocks. It's very improbable that Moderna is going to return to you another 2,245% in the next 5 years. It's very improbable. The market was screaming at you to tell you to come in and buy, or not buy, come in and sell the stock at $500, especially if you bought it in March where it was $22. So if you are one of the ones who bought Moderna back in March of 2020, I want to say kudos, because you did a fantastic job. If you sold at the high, if you did a fantastic job. Now, there's been people who's been telling you all to dollar cost average. I know. They've been telling you all to buy the dip. I know. And Moderna, since August of 2021, has been doing just that, dipping. And it's wrong. When the market is screaming at you that it is weak, you need to believe it. It's telling you this for a reason. This is the lifeblood of the market in Moderna. Like, we got to be crazy to think that we need to buy that. It's clearly going down. Why do you want to buy a stock that is going down? You don't do that. The time to buy the market in Moderna was right here when it's going up. Like, it's completely opposite of how people think. This is not a buyer's market. Not yet. Now, let's try to figure this out, because it's clear that the trend is broken. This ascending line is broken. So we don't need to follow the market in Moderna from that standpoint. We understand that we are not looking for Moderna to go up right now. We're not. We're in a downtrend. The downtrend was confirmed when we broke this ascending line. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. 28% on my last price prediction. Kudos, congratulations. This is what we do. It's not a surprise for us to grab the bag in the market from these price predictions. Now, the question is, since we're not looking for price to go up, the next best thing is to see the market do this, right? That's the next best thing, because the market can only go in 3 directions. 3, that's it. It could go up, it could go down, and it could go sideways. So since we took away the prospect of Moderna going up right now, the next 2 things we have is trading sideways or continuation of movement down. Those are the next 2 options. So we're going to focus in on those two. So let's see. Let me get rid of this trend here, and we're going to transpose this line. We're going to transform it to one of seeing this price trade sideways. Then if the market in Moderna wants to trade sideways, then we're going to follow that, right? We can see it right here. Like I said, the market already distinguishes between what we need to do, what we need to see. It gives us the information. We already know that this area is where the buyers are coming into the market. This is why Josh Brown came in and said that he bought some Moderna, because he could see the same type of information. This is where the buyers came in, right there around 120. Okay, this is going to be important for us to see market trade sideways, and we'll get the confirmation if that down move is going to continue in Moderna, especially if we break $1 to $1.20, $120 to the downside. We already get that. Okay, so this is just a momentary thing, temporary, for us to see this market hold $120. Now, we will become a little bit more bullish into this stock, especially if we see it break above this area here. Okay, so you guys can tell that we've created a trading channel. This is that sideways trading action right here for Moderna. Okay, this is it. So let's say that the market is going to consolidate. Then we want to see it consolidate in this range, and then we'll see the market break out. This is what we want to see, but currently this is what's happening. We're going down. Okay, now let me show you all which one seems more probable. Us trade sideways within these two lines, or us seeing price break that support line. Okay, let's see which one is more probable. Let's look at this on a 2 weeks basis. Okay, so we have 8 hours and 49 minutes left in Moderna right now before this current 2 weekly price bar ends. All right, we got it. What do you think? Do you think that this stock is going to continue to go down? Because if so, this is the next level, 100. Right? We got 120 first. This is where the buyers currently reside. They're trying to not let the price in Moderna fall below this area. Okay. Let's look at this on the weekly. What do you think here? Does it look strong? Does it look weak? Does it look like the buyers are here? What do you think? All right, let me help you out. Let me show you a 5-day time frame. What do you think? Okay, you might don't see it there. What do you think about the 3-day? Do you think this stock is a buy? Okay, you might don't see it on the 3-day. 2-day time frame. What do you think? Is the market a buy or a sell? What do you think? Monthly time frame. What do you think? 5 weeks time frame. What do you think? Okay. Hourly. Let's look at the hourly time frame. What do you think? Because one thing I would tell you is that every time we see the price in Moderna go up, or we see high volume come in, the price never confirms it. It continues to tread down though. Right? So even if we were to expect the price in Moderna to go up, this is not one of those come in and buy and hold. Because even on these high volume days, the market is not going up. Right? You guys can see it right here on the 24th. All of this volume came in and price still fell. All of this volume came in on the 14th of February. Price still didn't go up. All of this volume came into the market in Moderna on the 24th of January. It went up, but it wasn't substantial. It wasn't massive. Price continues to be in a downtrend. So depending on time preference, it's going to let you know how you should play this. If you're just trying to do this as a scalping opportunity to come in and grab the market, buy the market here and sell it at like 145, 150, then that's it. But that's on the smaller term basis, right? Longer term, we still have some weakness on the chart. Okay. And especially since we saw price break this very substantial trend. The current environment in Moderna is one of weakness. That's where we at. So when you put everything into the pot, right? Yes, the market is going to try to do what we did back in 2021, because we got a lot of people who came in and bought the market in Moderna here, right? So the market is not anticipated to fall down quickly. We're going to see it just bounce and trade for a little bit, which gives us opportunity, maybe a day or so, to see the price go up, right? So even if we were to look for the price to go up in Moderna, it's not going to be high, right? Yeah, like literally right there, 145, 146. That's only 4, maybe 5%. Market may have enough momentum to come up here to 150. That's 9%, right? But not too much out of that. It's not that hard. The market is not really giving us that bullishness right now. And the reason why I say that we can see the price go up on a short-term basis is because of what happened on the 2-day time frame, right? But even then, like I said, every time we see high volume, price doesn't follow through. It continues to trend lower. So I'm still going to play the weakness into the market in Moderna, even though I am acknowledging that price from out the gate can go up. Okay, so look at this. As long as the price in Moderna does not trade above 170, I'm playing the weakness. And the first area for us to grab the bag is still going to be around 120, right? That's 13%. Now, the biggest area is for us to see the market come down to 100. Okay. So I'm going to establish the other support area of $100. So we got a price target first at 120. Second one's going to be around 100, 105. Okay. And we're going to continue to follow that as long as Moderna's price trades below this area. I'm going to say 180. Okay. So now we have 120 as our first price target, meaning, yeah, you might want to take the bag on that run. Next area is going to be 100. But as long as price in Moderna trades below 180, so we can see the price go up, that'd be cool. Price might even hit this 180, but if weakness continues and price begins to fall back down, we know we're still sitting pretty on our price prediction. Okay, so that is it. Real quick, let me know. I want to know your thoughts, your premise as to where you suspect the market in Moderna is headed. All right, I'm done. Hit me up, let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.